Sampath, you were saying something.
Yeah. I said Vikram is traveling to space. We are still all on the Earth only.
This is also a space,
Space is only Vikram is doing now. The pace at which you are really traveling is tremendous, yeah, Vikram. Congrats to you. Hats off to you.
Thank you.
Congratulations on your new books, 2 books.
Yeah, these are fun books. Actually, I am writing a very, very serious book about my life. So before giving something serious, I thought of writing something fun. So another 2-3 books are coming, like fun about my kitties, about my dog, and then at the background I am preparing for the serious stuff.
Oh my God, what a strategy!
It is not a strategy, it is just making me
like you had breathed.
Madam, when you write about monkeys, please let me know. I'll come to Bangalore.
monkeys. There are a lot of monkeys in Bangalore. Here I am staying. I'm just kidding. Please don't.
Welcome, Mr. Tamal Chatterjee, Dinesh Nagpal ji,
Thank you so much.
Soma
Thank you
Das
so much.
madam, and I saw Mohan Nair somewhere. Mohan Nair, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank
Dinesh sir, you are getting young day by day. I don't know what's the secret of yours.
Yeah, I'm writing on the, again on the HR only. Happy employee, happy employer.
Very good, sir. That is required nowadays.
Yeah.
Neither the employer is happy nor the employees are happy.
Yeah, we are trying to make it something.
Yeah, that's much required. Very soon you will become a corporate pandit,
No.
with so much of gyan to deliver to the employer and employee. And all your works are having that, the perspective from the employer and from the employee as well.
Yes, yeah. I try to cover both.
Yeah, that's good thing.
Hello everyone, how are you?
Yeah, great.
We would like to know about you, ma'am.
See, I am Fatma Asra, as you all know, by my name, and I'm here I was invited by Mr. Satadil, and I'm glad to be a part of this launch event. And in some time, I would like to talk about my son's book, which has already been published.
सभी को नमस्कार. विक्रम जी नमस्कार.
नमस्कार. How are you?
एकदम बढ़िया.
कुछ लेटेस्ट कोई धुन आ रही है किसी गाने में?
अभी तो बहुत सारी धुनें मन में ही चल रही हैं.
ऐसा धुन बनाइए सर कि मतलब पुरानी जमाने आ जाए.
तो मतलब नेशनल एंथम बन जाए ऐसा.
ऐसा कीजिए कि नेशनल एंथम.
विदेश और मेरा तुम्हारा.
नहीं, वो क्या है, पुराना जमाना याद करेंगे तो नहीं चलेगा, कुछ नया करना पड़ेगा. लाइक अपना टाइम आएगा टाइप.
जी.
Good evening and welcome everybody to this book launch event, to Mr. Satadil Lahiri to formally open this event.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have come together, for a unique book, for the launch of a unique book. I call it unique because it is unique, of course, and because it has been written with a lot of passion. And before I move forward and we talk about the author and the book, the author, of course, is S.D. Kar, who is sitting there, the handsome Mr. S.D. Kar. And before we talk about the book and we talk about the unveiling of the book, I'd like a few words from Mr. Vikram Khaitan in welcoming of the guests, as well as the eminent people over here. And he'll run a small PPT regarding the people who are here and the people who are about to join. So over to Vikram, sir.
Thank you, Satadil. So let me introduce Satadil Lahiri. He is an engineer from IIT Kharagpur. He is an alumni of XLRI. He has worked in Navratna companies of India as engineer, and he is still continuing that by profession. And literature and books are his passion, and not a small passion, big time passion. He has written 16 books till now. He is also an exponent of mathematics. He has published books on mathematical theorems and other subjects within mathematics. So he's got a wide range of personality and dynamics in the personality, as in even in writing, he is into non-fiction, fiction, biography, everywhere. And he's also a very crafty editor who can enrich and enhance the quality of your book if you are an author. So you know where to go to for getting your books edited. And leave everything aside. The biggest quality that he has is Yaro Ka Yaar. He is a great friend of anybody who wants to be his friend. Thank you, Satyadal, for being with us.
Thank you, sir. Before you go on to play the PPT, I'd like to introduce you also, because it becomes my moral responsibility as you have introduced myself. Vikram Khaitan does not need any introduction, so I did not introduce him earlier. Vikram Khaitan, apart from writing four bestsellers, he is a CFO of a famous company down south, and he is MBA Finance and a black belt holder in Six Sigma. Not only that, there are other aspects to him also. He is running a channel called Sip and Talk with Vikram that we will hear after some time. He is interviewing achievers. Then he is having this unique thing called lateral learning, where the art of living management learnings are produced in 15 minutes. And of course, he has got this book review where we had reviewed Mr. S.D. Kar's wonderful book. So over to you, Vikram sir, for welcoming the guests.
Thank you, Satyadal. And everybody must have discovered by now that Satyadal and I are members of the MAS. You know what is MAS? Anybody wants to take a guess? Mutual Admiration Society. Thank you. So everybody, I would request you to join the MAS. You see, it empowers you,
Yes.
So at the end of it, it gives a lot of energy to anybody.
Yeah.
So enroll into MAS as soon as possible. And with this, I would like to run a small snippet or a trailer about the book so that you get an idea of what we are going to talk about today. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the trailer. It sets the mood. It sets the mood and also tells briefly about what kind of blood-curdling murder mystery this book is about. And I will be telling you much more about this book as the evening progresses. In the meantime, I would like to introduce you to all the curated speakers, the eminent guests that are here today to talk about the book and to unveil the book. May I?
Yes, sir, please.
Welcome back, everyone. I hope you had a glimpse of who are going to be the speakers tonight, and thereafter we will have an open house. So even if somebody has a question, has a anything to say or to add or comment, we are all free to do so. There's no restriction at all. So over to you, Satadal.
Yeah, thank you very much, Vikram sir. Before I proceed further, I'd like to call upon Mr. S.D. Kar. Kar Saab, please come to the center stage. You are the hero of the day. And I'd request you to kindly welcome the guests.
Maybe you can give an introduction for Mr. Kar before he speaks.
Yeah, introduction of Mr. Kar, I'd be very happy to give the introduction. In fact, I was thinking that we can give an introduction in a banner style, but I'll take the opportunity. Mr. S.D. Kar, पूरा नाम पढ़ने में थोड़ा difficulty होता है. शीता प्रजना देवदत्त कर. It's a difficult name.
नहीं, मैं बोल देता हूँ. शीता प्रज्ञा देवदत्त कर.
That's why I call you my friend. You help me at difficult times. So this is the book, The Muffled Screams of Buriganga, that he has penned down. And Mr. Kar is, of course, working with a very famous company in Odisha. He has toured a lot of places in India. And he was in Mumbai for a lot of his prime time. And then back to Odisha, he has scouted in all corners of Odisha. And then he has come up with 2 wonderful books. This is one of them. And this is the most, scintillating book that he has written till date. And I have read it twice. And I found it very interesting and very unique. So this is, in a nutshell, I could say, because I want Mr. Kar to talk about himself. And before that, I want Mr. Kar to introduce the eminent people, the eminent guests. And let us have the launch of the book, the inauguration of the book. Mr. Kar, please.
Thank you, Satadalji. Okay, let me introduce the chief guest here, Mr. Kuna Tripathi. He is the eminent film personality in Odisha right now. And it is not because he is a family, but his talent is quite unknown across Odisha. His comic timing is impeccable. His command over language, all dialects of Odia, is known to everyone. Then we have Mr. Ratha, Sanu Ratha, as we call him Sanu Bhai. Okay, Sanu Bhai is 1 year older to us, but with respect, we from the college we call him Sanu Bhai. He has been the foremost event guy in Odisha. Right from the college days, he has been doing a lot of quizzes. There was an event, inter-college event called Dreamfest. And then he is the CEO of a huge company in Odisha, and active quizzer and event guy. Then we have Mr. Tamal Chatterjee. Tamalda is an ex-colleague and friend and mentor. He is a guy. He is my go-to guy. Any kind of problem, whether it is personal or say writing wise, I generally go to him. And to his credit, he is a very busy person. But to his credit, he never said no. I have some ridiculous ideas. I keep getting a lot of ideas, and I need someone to brainstorm. So he's the guy, and he gives me a patient hearing every time, whether how ridiculous the idea may be, but he gives me a patient hearing. And these three are the special guests I would like to introduce.
So, can we have Mr. Kunal Tripathi to inaugurate the book? Kunal Tripathi, sir, can you kindly inaugurate the book?
Yeah, Jai Jagannath to everybody. So wonderful to inaugurate a book written by a person who is very much vernacular in his approach to this world, but who writes in English. It's a sheer pleasure actually, because we in Odisha particularly, we never think in any other language than Odia. Thinking in Odia and writing in English, it's a big affair actually for us, a person like me also. SD was telling in my introduction that I have got a command over many languages of Odisha. That may be true, but you know, speaking in English and writing in English are two very poles apart kind of thing. Here I have got my younger brother Sanurat, who speaks very nicely in all these languages. I mean, he's very comfortable in English and Odia also. And he says, always he says, I learn a lot of Odia from Kunal Bhai, and I try to improve my Odia. It's just because, not just because he is from a Stuart school or an English medium background. It is because of his, constant research about the language and all that. He has come to a forum right now where he can convincingly speak English, which we are not able to. Because both the things play into our mind. When we speak about something in a language like English, it always comes to our mind, there is something wrong when I am speaking. Either it is the grammatical part or it is the, pronunciation, which we are not very much comfortable with. But that is a separate thing. Your command over the language, you speak something in a particular language. Writing something in a foreign language is a totally separate thing. And a guy from Odisha writing in English, I think he commands an applause, because very few persons are there. Yeah, very few persons, in any kind of writing, my go-to has been Mr. Manoj Das. I think he is most probably he is the first guy from Odisha who simplified the writing style in English much before Vikram Bhatt, much before this other guys came inside. So after seeing him, I always, whenever I got a chance to ask him, I always ask him, how could you write in English, sir? It's a very difficult thing. He also, I think in Odia first and translate it in English and write. It's very easy to say here. It's very difficult to write, because I am myself a writer. I have written so many things for the last 35 years. I've been writing for cinema and television, and in so many articles been published. But again, it's a commendable job. And this is Muffled Screams of Buri Ganga. It was not his first kriti actually. He has tried his hand in this kind of writing beforehand. But when I got to this book and I finished it in one go.
So I request everyone to please unmute and clap your hands, please. And
yeah. This book is inaugurated right now.
Congratulations.
Many thanks.
Congrats, SD.
Congratulations.
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 All the best. Good luck.
Congratulations.
All the best.
Congratulations.
Actually, we had a plan like doing this in a very bigger platform, and since Sanu Rath is a part of the family, so and having experiences is all in this kind of things, events. We planned a big thing, and subsequently I call this Sunya Asar, this busy kind of thing, and Zoom and all that. And this is a book. I would say this should be made a movie.
Yeah.
This should be made a movie because that is my line. But I would definitely push this book in Bollywood. Let us sit again and think about this, because this should be a fantastic film.
Yes, sir.
Movie wise, the way here, the twists and turns and all that, the flow was very good. Flow is very good. So I think this movie would create an impact, and it is my sheer fortune. This guy SD is a close relative of mine. You know, by saying close relative, I would again clarify he is my sadhu. You know, so he is only wife and my only wife are sisters. So yeah. So I have to definitely be here because I am right now. I came back from Sundargarh yesterday only, and I'll be going to Balangir tomorrow. But in between, you know, it is just sasural kind of impact I have. But apart from that, as my nature, as my image, I never flatter anybody in my life. I don't do that. So this book, amazing book. I've read it in one go, and I would say that more of this kind of thing should come. This should not be one kind of thing, a single writing, because there are so many persons who have written books, one book in their life, like our own Barrister Govindas. He wrote a book. It was very famous, Amabhasyara Chandra, and then his pen dried up. This should not be the process. So, SD, I am just, it is an appeal to you. You should write more often, and based on Odisha also you write something. Your stories, because you know this kind of, my only focus is there should be a story, and that story should be a movie. Because I am this line for the last 30 years. I need stories. We have been kicked by people of Odisha because we don't make original movies. Why? Because we don't find original stories, contemporary stories. So my appeal to you, write some contemporary stories which we can make movies. Sanu and me are there to help you in this regard. And thank you everybody, whoever is here, because your love, your blessings definitely is going to help SD and encourage him to write more kind of thing like this. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody. Thanks a lot. Jai Jagannath.
Thank you, Mr. Tripathi. You have summarized it so well, you know, the power of language. And as you said, thinking in Odia and writing in English, it is itself, you know, a 50% additional challenge to the skill of writing. Because if you compare yourself with other writers who are native English writers, it is they are writing in their mother tongue. They are thinking in that language, and they are also writing in that same language. So for them, the craft becomes a lot more easier, and the kind of the kind of writing that Mr. Kar has done in this book, and as you have also read it, it is absolutely amazing. It does not fall short of any kind of English language or any kind of expression or any kind of suspense and emotion. And I'm so grateful to you that you thought about bringing out a movie on this book. And this is much deserved and absolutely well deserved. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Tripathi. In fact, I am having an urge to visit Odisha and visit you, because like I also produce some books, for you to read and give me some comments on it.
Please, sir.
It will be my pleasure, and I love Odisha. I have already talked to Mr. SD how I love Odisha, and especially Pahal. No.
Okay. Yeah.
So I was there in Bhubaneswar for some time, and I thoroughly enjoyed Odisha. And because of COVID, I could not come, but yearly once, like the cyclone, I always come to Odisha. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your presence.
Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath.
And now I'd like to invite Mr. Tamal Chatterjee. Sir, can you put some light on Mr. SD Kar and the book, of course?
1 minute, please. Before that, I would like to make an appeal to everybody and inform that today's book launch event on Sip and Talk with Vikram is a unique event because it is being simultaneously live casted on YouTube as well. And we have got audience watching it through YouTube as well at the same time as we are conducting the program here. So those who are on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified. We keep bringing in meaningful content for you, which is food for thought, and it's absolutely an edutainment channel par excellence. So please stay on with us till the end. We'll have prizes to win. We'll have question answers. We'll get to know a lot, learn a lot together. Be with us throughout the evening. Thank you so much. And now we'll bring in Mr. Tamal Chatterjee.